3% of wills filed in the United States every year are contested. That amounts to tens of thousands of wills that get contested in the United States every year. But what does a will do? A will helps make sure that your desires upon your death get carried out, your wishes. And therefore, using the exact and proper words is very important. That's why we try to warn people against trying to do it themselves or using a non-lawyer, because if the specific and correct words are not used, what you want to happen very well may not happen. But assuming you get the exact words correct, you also have to make sure that you meet the rigid execution requirements. That's the signing requirements that are in place for your particular jurisdiction, and most importantly for us here in the state of Florida. Even if the words say what they were meant to say and the will was executed properly, legally, your will still could be contested. There are mainly three reasons for contesting a will. One would be the person who did the will didn't have legal competency. They didn't, for using layman's terms, know what they were doing completely when they signed their will. Another reason for challenging a will would be that they were under duress when they signed it. Think of someone signing at gunpoint, so to speak. That's a very elaborate example of duress, but they're forced to do it. And the third way that a will can be challenged when the execution is correct is what is called undue influence. That is, someone influenced the person to make the will out a certain way, which wasn't them exercising their own free will and free judgment. They were pressured or influenced unduly to create a will stating what it says. So those are reasons that a will can be challenged even if it's executed correctly. Now, you can't stop somebody from challenging a will. People can file a lawsuit for any reason as long as they have the money to pay for a filing fee. But what you want to do is set yourself up for success. If a challenge is made, you want to be able to win that challenge. And that's why we recommend that you insulate your estate plan, that you do it with proper professionals and with proper planning. That way, they can ensure that all the I's are dotted, all the T's are crossed, and if, in the unlikely event your will is challenged, it will be upheld. It will carry out the wishes that you wanted to happen.